Hi, good morning. Today I would like to discuss about Google My Business profile handling. Most of the business owners or even few of the SEO agencies fumble with the GMB rankings. See, the core point, I would like to tell you is GMB, no doubt, it's a fantastic option, for the small, mid-size business owners where you can get lot of, B2C clients. It might be any business. But to rank GMB, you need to focus on listing your business profile on at least 30 plus accounts. What are they? First thing is social media accounts, networks. Second one is few Q&A like Quora, Yahoo Answers, etc. Reddit, even Reddit also plays a very vital role. And apart from that, there are few other platforms. I'll share you the list. Where you first you need to add your business in all these platforms, participate in a regular method, like publishing posters, adding content, writing articles, answering questions related to your business. Everything you need to do that. Then after that, you need to create a GMB account. Mostly, business owners do the vice versa. They create a GMB account first, start expecting results right from the day one. No, it will not work like that, because GMB analyzes your business in from three metrics. First thing is how far they are popular online, what are they contributing related to their business in forums, and how about their reviews, their public opinion, etc. It collects all the information, and then it pushes your position into top rankings. To achieve that, you need to do all these efforts. And then my I what I've done to my one of my business, I'll tell you. Before opening an account in GMB, I've opened an account in all these accounts like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Quora, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, and then few other platforms related to my business. Then after that, what I've done is deliberately I've opened an account in Bing local. Okay, Bing places. I've listed an account there, kept quiet for 1 month. Then I have added my listing in GMP. So in that way, what happened is, before entering into my business, before entering my business into GMB, GMB has come to an understanding that this guy is popular in this particular field. Okay, I've entered into the GMB with a small credibility. That is the trick that I have applied. So with that, what happened? Normally, when I listed my account in GMB, it started appearing in the first three pages, first three rankings, and then I didn't had a problem by God's grace. Now there are so many other things right now. I mean, GMB is asking for a video recording. Sometimes it doesn't display the mobile phone on the listings. Mostly this is our mistake only. What we do is we put one number in GMB. Then after that, we take another mobile number, which is fancy. We wanted to add that. We cannot add or edit our business information like mobile, email ID, address, now and then. You have to finalize what is that mobile number I'm going to use for my business, and what is the email ID I'm going to use for my business, and what is the address. And you have to take care with 100% precision that these are the three things, and these are going to be permanent with me. Only then I have to do it. sometimes I mean, if you say that okay, I'll use another mobile number, no, it will not work. And say that okay, I've changed my business listing, no, I'll go to another, I've changed my office and I've gone to another location, I'll add another. No, normally it will not give immediate permission, and it will again do the quality check. Whenever you edit any of your information, any of your key information or services, or add your services or something, or delete some of your services, it will validate your complete online presence. Okay. And then it will that algorithm will analyze what is your stand for that particular business. Only then it will give a listing. So I get a lot of calls from the business owners saying that my phone number is not appearing on the this thing. And so many people start believing that a lot of myths, like okay, my firm name is so and so, in the website is there is a small letter A which is there in the website. I want to add that in the GMB, because we are afraid that it will block my business. So these are all the two thing errors, what I would like to say. First thing is, you genuinely note down what are the points that people should get remembered whenever they think of one particular business, and you should stand with that only. No more corrections once you enter your information in GMB. Okay. If you are not sure of what my business information would be in GMB, don't open your GMB account. Keep open accounts in all the other parameters, all the platforms. See how you are standing yourself, what is the contribution you have done. And then once you have decided that this is my business name, this is my email ID, this is my mobile number, and this is my address, then you open a GMB account. And for a safe platform, this is going to give you the best results. Thank you.